When they said natural glow, they meant it, okay? I put my baby oil on my elbows. I'm glowing. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also still Wigmas, and I have another Wig Bay holiday slay to share with y'all. And today we are featuring Queen V. Listen, my girl's coming to you with the natural looks, and I'm here for it, okay? So Queen V says she is rocking a beautiful Afrocentric synthetic wig. She loves this wig because it's Afrocentric, very natural looking, and she loves the beautiful honey blonde color against her glowy skin. She also wants to give a shout out to God #1, her beautiful mom and sister, and her handsome dad and hubby. I'm here for it, okay? I am here for it. And it just so happens that your wig and my wig got something in common, okay? We got something in common. We look real natural and glowy. I'm here for it, okay? So make sure you guys show Queen V some love down below. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Now, before we get into my install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight off the pack, just know this video is all about the hair and what I did not do to it. Listen again, what I did not do to it, okay? Because listen, I'm giving the looks in the easiest way possible. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about the easiness, okay? So before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't see anything else coming up. Whew, I almost ran out of breath. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. It doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain. In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. It doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna
Okay, so did y'all watch that install? Did you see how I slayed this install? Who is going to tell me that this is not my hair? Huh? Come closer, zoom in. Who gonna tell me? Who is gonna tell me this is not my hair, huh? The way I'm feeling right now, I'ma get to swinging. I'ma get to swinging, okay? Y'all, this wig ain't coming off and I'm here for it. You hear me? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. It is their natural glow curly unit. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you definitely can. Now, I'm not sure if they have a sale going on right now, but if they do, you know it'll be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check that out too. As you know, for HerGivenHair, these units do not run cheap, okay? They cost a lot of Bitcoin. I ain't here to cause no problems, because I know how you girls like to tussle about that price point, okay, TikTok? But y'all know how they get down. If they give them the price point, then they better have the quality. And I must say they got the quality. The quality in this one, as all the others, are on point. This one right here, y'all, is my favorite HerGivenHair unit and install that I've ever tried on my channel. Period. Y'all, because how natural this hair is looking, I'm here for it, okay? I am here for this wig. As you saw in my install, I did not go in with any type of products on this hair. I just co-washed her with conditioner, and then I took my blow dryer on cool and blow dried this unit. I didn't want it to air dry because I didn't want it to get a little stiff. I wanted to make sure I had body and movement and volume in the hair. Now, normally I would use a diffuser for my curly units. However, for this one, I felt like it would take a little bit too much time, and I didn't want to take that much time. And the curls on cool stay intact. They get a little bit frizzier, a little bit bushier. The hair gets bigger, but they stay intact. You still got some definition on those curls, y'all. Did y'all see that? Let me come up closer. The curls are still there, y'all. Nice and fluffy with some definition. I'm here for it, okay? This is how I want my natural hair wigs to look all the time. But I know some of y'all like the high definition, you know, curls or whatever, get them popping, you know, juicy. That's cool. I like that too. But what I would wear on a daily basis, when they said natural glow, they meant it, okay? I put my baby oil on my elbows. I'm glowing. Because I only use conditioner and no other product, the hair does not feel as moisturized as my other unit. So if you want a little bit more moisture in your unit, definitely use some hair serum or some leave-in conditioner to kind of moisturize the hair just a little bit. For me though, I don't really care, but I know some of you guys may like a little bit more moisture, you know, in your curls. For the look that I wanted a very natural, glowy type of look. This looks amazing, okay? And the hair is still flowing nicely. Do y'all see the hair? Do y'all see the hair flowing, huh? I know y'all see it. I know y'all see this hair moving around. This unit does come with lace frontals, so you can part this unit wherever you want across the front. Just know the lace does get short on the sides, so you don't have a whole bunch of space on the sides to part your unit. But you can still do like a half up, half down. You can do like, you know, a side part. You can do a defined part down the middle, or you can just kind of leave it, you know, how she is right now and just let her kind of do her own thing like I'm doing. Y'all, when I say this unit looks good, I mean it, okay? I mean it. I didn't cut no layers in this unit. You saw from my install, I did go in and pull some hair out around my hairline just because I felt like it was a little bit, it wasn't as plucked as I'm used to HerGivenHair units being. So that was a little setback, okay? I wasn't really feeling that, especially in this price point, okay? So get that hairline back together. But y'all saw the hair that I pulled out. I just went around my hairline with my finger, pulled the hair down, pulled it out, and it came out real easy, and that was it. You can definitely style this unit up in like a little ponytail. You just gotta know how to work the back of your head, pull the unit down, tease it a little bit, you know, mess it up, and there you go. I got my glasses on, so I can't tell if that looks good or not. It looks good from what I can see, okay? So you just tease it up like that and then pull the hair up and you'll be just fine. But I'm really feeling this little flip over action. Y'all see what I did? I'm really feeling that, y'all. This looks, ooh, wait a minute. Now, during my co-wash, I did get shedding on my unit. However, using my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush that I got from Amazon, link down below, I got less shedding because I took my time to detangle the unit. And surprisingly, I got it done faster, taking my time than I normally do when I'm trying to rush through the curls. So, thank you, sis. So I started brushing from the bottom and then worked my way up, and then I realized most of the tangles are on the top layer of hair. So once I got the hair wet and just brushed through that top layer, it was pretty much easy after that. Other than the hairline that I felt was a little blocky, I have nothing negative to say about this unit. I mean, the price point is the price point. We already know about that. The hair texture is gorgeous. The color is natural, like nothing crazy. This is a 20-inch on me, so y'all can see how big this gets, you know, out this way. I feel real pretty, y'all. I feel beautiful. I feel just, yeah, y'all can tell. Listen, if Daddy Papa calls you up and wants to splurge, put this wig in a cart. If you've been saving up all year for a HerGivenHair unit and you knew I was coming with the heat in December, listen. This looks good. This looks, ooh, this looks good. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hergivenhair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.